Band 8, metal, an element that has metallic luster, conducts heat and electricity, and tends to form bases. Metalloid, an element having certain properties characteristic of a metal, but that is generally classed as a nonmetal, such as arsenic. Nonmetal, an element that does not conduct heat or electricity, and that tends to form acids such as sulfur or phosphorus. Mineral, an inorganic substance of a definite chemical composition found in the crust of the earth, such as Chile saltpeter, sodium nitrate. Metallurgy, the branch of chemistry that deals with extracting metals from their ores, refining them, and preparing them for use. Ore, a mineral from which an element, usually a metal, is extracted, such as hematite, iron ore, galena, lead ore. Metallic ores, usually carbonates, sulfides, or oxides. Beneficiation, any process, physical or chemical, that renders an ore more suitable for reduction. Roasting, the heating of an ore in contact with air or oxygen. Slag, the product formed by the combining of a flux with the impurities in an ore. Flux, a substance that combines with the impurities of an ore to form a slag, such as limestone in the extraction of iron. Malleability, the property of metals that permits them to be rolled or hammered into sheets. Ductility, the property of metals that permits them to be drawn into wire. Tempering, the process used for varying the hardness of a steel by heat treatment. Welding, the process of joining two pieces of metal into a single piece by heat and pressure. Ferrous refers to iron and its compounds. Non-ferrous refers to all metals except iron. Copper, the most used non-ferrous metal, being widely used in electrical work. The purest form of iron, wrought iron. The most impure form of iron, cast iron. Hardness of steel depends upon the carbon content. Aluminum, the most abundant metal, making up 7.4% of the Earth's crust. Thermite, a mixture of aluminum and powdered iron oxide. When ignited, thermite generates enough heat to melt the iron produced. Silver forms light-sensitive compounds that are important in photography and is the best conductor of heat and electricity. Gold and platinum, soluble in aqua regia, composed of 1 part concentrated nitric acid and 3 parts concentrated hydrochloric acid. Titanium, in the form of titanium oxide, is used as a white pigment in paint and in paper. Germanium, a member of the carbon family used to make transistors. Exceptionally pure zinc, obtained by electrolysis of the ore. Magnesium, obtained by electrolysis of the fused chloride or oxide. It is the lightest of the structurally useful metals. Mercury, obtained by roasting and distillation.